Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're working non-destructively. Duplicate the background layer right away and hide the original. Next, make a rough selection around the word using the lasso or quick selection tool so Photoshop targets only the text area. Once selected, choose Content-Aware Fill or the Spot Healing Brush and apply a first pass. This removes the obvious pixels and gives you a baseline to refine. Make sure to keep that selection active because the next steps will refine edges and texture for a seamless result. Now you refine the area so it blends naturally. Use the patch tool to drag a clean source over problem zones, or use the clone stamp on a new layer and sample nearby texture with varied brush hardness. Once done, reopen Content-Aware Fill settings, enable color adaptation, and try rotation adaptation if patterns need alignment. Make sure to scale or transform sampled patches to match perspective. As you work, toggle your layers on and off to compare and maintain consistent grain, lighting, and edge flow. Finish by evening out edges. Use the Spot Healing or Healing Brush on a new layer, sampling nearby pixels to match grain and color. If the repaired area looks too smooth, add a touch of noise or a very small Gaussian blur to match the surrounding texture. When satisfied, merge visible or export a flattened copy. Troubleshooting tip: if you see repeating patterns, undo and resample from different areas, reduce clone stamp opacity, and use short, varied strokes so repetition is not obvious. This fixes tiled artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.